calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I've never been more excited, guys, to share this video with you. Today I'm doing a DIY floral teddy bear. I hope you enjoy. To start with, you're going to need some floral foam squares. I was going to use the round one but changed my mind. You'll need about 4 to 5 of these in total. Taking the first 2 pieces of floral foam, we are going to make the body of the teddy bear. Taking a knife, you want to give curved edges on all 4 corners. Once you have the desired shape, you're then going to take some toothpicks, guys, and this is how we're going to join our teddy bear together. I simply placed 3 into the side of the floral foam and then joined the 2 pieces together.
Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go?
Once that was complete, you're then going to make a head for Teddy. Now you're going to take 2 more pieces of floral foam. This second one I'd already had from a previous project. So I took something round like my kettle and I traced out a circle on these 2 pieces of foam.
Ready for that heartbreak?
Now, because I wasn't happy with this second piece, I didn't feel it was a complete circle, I actually removed this one and started again, guys, where I just traced the other half of the circle to give an even finish. Once I had 2 even pieces, I then took some more of those toothpicks to join the 2 pieces of the head together. Now I then decided to join the head to the body, and again using lots of toothpicks, guys, I secured it in place. I then took an offcut that I already had and I cut 3 pieces. Now 2 of those pieces I took and I made curved edges on each end. You just want to go round with your knife, guys, until you get the desired look you're aiming for. Now these are going to be the arms of our teddy bear. They don't have to be perfect, guys, as remember we will be covering these in roses. I then took another piece of floral foam and created 2 feet for Teddy. Again, I went round the edges of the feet to give that curved look. You're then going to add 2 toothpicks, guys, and add our little feet to our teddy. do the exact same thing with Teddy's arms.
Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes.
Once they're in place, you're then going to take another piece of off-cut floral foam. And what I'm doing here, guys, is making Teddy's ears. Basically, all you have to do here is again give curved edges, so it looks like the ear of a teddy bear.
6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak.
You're then going to repeat the same steps and create a second one for Teddy.
5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak.
Again, using toothpicks, I secured the ears in place.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. Yeah, where you go, I follow. Let's go.
You're then going to take another offcut, guys, and you're going to take something round. Here I'm using a candle and I'm going to trace a circle. This is going to be Teddy's nose.
I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe
Once you're happy with the result, you're then going to add toothpicks, again to secure it in place.
taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like
Once he's all complete, it was now time for the fun part, decorating him. I took these beautiful foam mini flowers from eBay and I started to add them to Teddy.
giving that kiss now. I just wanna hold.
Now guys, I used 4 packs of 100 here. However, I did not cover the back of my teddy bear, purely because he's going to go on a shelf up against a wall.
That's usually how.
So if you want to cover Teddy at the back as well, I thoroughly recommend you getting 6 packs of 100. I'll leave a link to that eBay store down below.
I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
So basically here I've covered the entire Teddy on the sides as well as the front. I've left his stomach vacant, guys, because I have a wonderful idea to add to my Teddy.
Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak.
I loved how my little Teddy was coming along, but you know Shell, she has to add some glam. So I decided that my little Teddy would hold a perfume bottle.
I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am
Taking this small canvas that I picked up from my local dollar store, I then took some Big W Australia glitter gold paper and I covered it completely. This is going to be the bottom of our perfume bottle.
dancing, taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at
Once that was complete, I then searched my home for something that looked like the top of a bottle. This plastic lid is from a hair product and it was perfect for what I had in mind.
ready for that heartbreak.
I then took some of these rhinestone strips from my local dollar store and covered the entire sides of the lid.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. Yeah, where you go.
Off camera, I then hot glued it to the top of my canvas.
Go out and dance the night away. Going like
I then took one of these Kmart Australia place cards. I then also printed out my Shell number 5 logo and I glued it to the centre of the place card.
that's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going
I then glued my little card to the front of my perfume bottle.
dancing. Taking my
Taking some more of those adhesive rhinestones, I added strips around to make a frame.
on the floor. 5, 6, 7.
Now because I wanted to give Teddy some extra sparkle, I took 3 of these dollar store bows, added 2 to his ears and 1 around his neck.
Ready for that
I also had this super cute fake ring that I thought was so blingy and glam, and I hot glued that to the top of my perfume bottle.
too close to me.
I also had these dollar store Glam love hearts. Now I just simply took one of these and I hot glued it to the right hand side of my perfume bottle.
I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dance.
And here is my adorable personalised floral teddy bear.
3, 4, looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4, looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6.
This was such a fun project to create. I was so excited to bring this one to life.
Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak.
I've had so many requests from you guys asking me to do a floral teddy bear again, and I lied awake at night thinking of a new idea to bring a Shell's touch to Teddy.
Heartbreak, heartbreak.
This would make such a wonderful Valentine's Day gift idea. There's nothing more beautiful than having something personalised.
I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy.
It would make such a beautiful party centerpiece. It could be a photo prop, it could definitely work at a wedding. The possibilities are endless and it's entirely up to you.
Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Guys, with Valentine's Day just around the corner, or you might have something coming up that's very special to you, why not have a go at your very own DIY rose teddy bear? This was such an inexpensive project, guys, but I love how it created that glam statement I was after.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances.
Guys, if you have a particular idea in mind that you'd like for me to have a go at, I truly love your feedback. I absolutely love going through the comments and reading your ideas on what I should do next. It's definitely giving me inspiration, and I love bringing things to you that I know that you will enjoy.
Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like
This
it.
was a two-part project, guys, just for me personally. What I did is on the first day, I cut out his body shape and constructed him together.
I have done a billion mistakes before.
On the second day, I did the fun part of adding all the roses and decorating my DIY perfume bottle.
Taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah.
What little girl wouldn't want this super cute teddy? Or it might be something that you want yourself. I think this would look amazing in a beauty room.
Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. 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 Heartbreak.
Don't be afraid to have a go at DIY projects yourself. Now guys, if you're not comfortable with DIYs, this is why I show you simple ideas. Just follow my videos step by step and it'll all come together, I promise.
I'm going crazy.
You yourself will be so proud if you create your very own teddy bear this weekend.
2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
With Valentine's Valentine's Day just around the corner, I want to inspire you to create your very own teddy bear, purely because this little bear can be created on a very minimal budget.
I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
The thing I love most about this teddy is that he is personalised. I love for you guys to be able to create something that CHELLE made, but put your own name on it.
Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my
If you decide to recreate this little teddy bear, I would love to see photos of him. You can follow me at Shells Glam Style on Instagram and tag me in the picture because I'd love to see it.
way on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed ya. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to have a go at your very own DIY personalised floral teddy bear.
Baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. 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 Heartbreak.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shells Glam Home.
That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
On the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed ya. Give me that kiss now.